Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about shapes and SmartArt. To start with, we go to the Insert tab and we select Shapes. We have a collection of shapes. We can see the recently used ones. We can see other groups, so shapes are grouped into lines, rectangles, other shapes, other basic shapes, arrows, equation shapes. So I'll select one. Let's select this one and I'll insert it here. Now if I don't have the shape that I want, I can edit the shape. So I can click on the Drawing Tools Format tab and select Edit Shape, Edit Points, and I can change the points. I can change their tangents. I can right click and add a point so I have more points. I can therefore do my own drawing. And again, here I want to move these white points to make the curve less acute. So these are the tangents which I can move. Now we inserted the shape. We also did some editing on it. We can also type in the shape directly, even if it's not a text box. And I can format the text as well. Let's insert another shape near this one. So insert shapes and let's insert a triangle here. This is a triangle and I can select the two of them. I can select this one, Control, and select the other. The two are selected now. So I've selected the two shapes and I can't merge them like in PowerPoint. So I'm gonna talk about merging shapes in PowerPoint later on. So I can't merge the shapes here. I can group the shapes and this way they'd move together. Again, I can go here and ungroup them. The shapes are independent now. I can move each one alone. Let's talk a bit about formatting. Now, when it comes to formatting, I can format quickly using the shape styles. So I can select presets. This is one shape style. This is another for this shape. And I can also edit manually. So I'm changing the fill, I'm changing the outline. Let's choose a dashed line this time and make it thicker. So this is a dashed line. And I can right click on the shape and select Set as Default. From now on, after I set the shape as default, if I insert a new shape, it will take the formatting that I just did. I can also select these styles, right click on them and set them as default shape. Now, if I change the theme of the document, like I did before, if I change the theme, these styles will change as well. So this is another theme. And if I notice, the styles changed to match my theme. I can go furthermore when it comes to formatting. So in Drawing Tools Format, I can go to Shape Styles and click this format shape and I'll be greeted with this pane here, which I can choose to modify the fill and the line, just like I did before. I can go for more details, so I can change the lines cap and the joint type. So if I change them, let me draw lines so it will be more clear. This is a line and I've made it more thick so we can notice. This is a flat ending for the line. I can change that to round. The line now has a round ending. Also, I can align these, I can wrap these in the text just like we did for the pictures. So this is in line with text. This will move with the text. I can go furthermore into formatting. I can go to text options and I can select this text box and therefore I can move my text. So the text is in the middle. I can move it to the bottom of the shape and I can add a left margin so my text fits here. Now, these shapes are basics which we can draw. We have a wide collection of shapes, but what's more interesting in this video is SmartArt. So I can select an insertion point and go to Insert and select SmartArt. Here I'll be shown this dialog box where I can select the smart chart that I want. Let's try to insert the food pyramid here in our document. So I'll choose basic and click on OK. Now I have this pyramid and it has an arrow on its left side which will show me the text pane if I want. So I can edit from here or from here. We'll start editing. So this is the first one. I'll select it and I'll type fats and oils. This one is milk. So I'm clicking here to edit. So for now, I've been clicking inside the shape that I want to type in and editing. Let's do it in another way. I'll click here on the bullet point in the text pane and type. Now, if the text pane isn't visible, I can go to the SmartArt Tools Design tab, which won't be visible except when I select a shape, a SmartArt shape. So I can go to SmartArt Tools Design and show or hide the text pane. I can also rearrange my shapes. So if I click on this one, I can move it up, move it down. Now I have 3 and I want another one. I can select, I want the 4th, so I can click on add shape. This will get me the 4th, or I'll undo it. I can go to the text pane, press enter, and here I have the 4th shape. I can also promote and demote, just like I edit bullet lists. I can press tab or shift tab to move the shapes levels up and down. I can also format on the go. So this is change colors, and now I've changed the color, and again the colors match the theme of the document. Or I can click on each one of these, go to the shape options and format it, give it a solid fill of my choice. I can go here, change the text options. Now I've selected my pyramid, my SmartArt. I can go to SmartArt Tools Format, do the formatting from here as well, just like I did for other shapes before. Apart from that, I can select my SmartArt, go to SmartArt Tools Design tab and click on the layouts here and go to more layouts, and I can choose another layout. So I'll change it to a process and it will still work. So this is a process. Okay. And here I've changed my layout after finishing. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching.